Some of the issues that we walked into were just an incredible large volume of backlogged cases. That was a number well over 10,000. That included everything from misdemeanors and felonies to CPS matters, juvenile cases, even JP cases like truancy and Class C tickets. So some of the things that we've tried to implement moving forward is an intake division that is reviewing cases as they come into the office. Because unfortunately, as many cases as we work out, negotiate, plea, or take to trial, we have just as many more coming into the office with folks being arrested for offenses such as DWIs, possession of drugs, assault, etc. And so we have instituted a better intake division to make sure that we are properly charging those folks, that we have the evidence necessary to do that, and immediately are preparing offers and ultimately trial cases, if necessary, as soon as those come into our office. And that's part of the backlog problem too, is that we had so many old cases, literally 3, 4, 5, 6 years even old, that were not charged the way they were supposed to be charged. And so now we're scrambling to try to find witnesses, victims, law enforcement officers, reports, things of that nature. And so by taking care of those on the intake side from the very beginning, we hope to, moving forward, correct that problem. Something else that we're working very hard and intentionally to do is focus our efforts on those violent offenders, folks in jail, and those cases that are upwards of 2, 3, 4, 5 years old. Those are the cases that we're trying to get in front of a judge to go to trial, offers made, and make sure that the defense bar, law enforcement, the courts, everybody is on the same page to try to address those as soon as we possibly can. So since taking office, we have pled well over 600 felony cases. Some of those included some of our most violent offenders, murders, child abusers, sexual abuse cases, etc. We've had folks that have been sentenced to life in prison by juries, 70 years, 50 years, 60 years, and some of those offers as well have been accepted by defendants because they know and understand that we're taking it very seriously. If you are a violent offender in this county, we are going to seek maximum punishment for you. And so that's been something that has been very helpful to try to move those cases as well, and something that our prosecutors, our investigators, our team as an office as a whole are working together to combat as quickly as we can.